Hi, this is a two-part video. In the first part, we will look into the process of creating a particular type of roof called the Dutch roof. In the second part, we will explore the methods to create a roof dormer. A Dutch roof is a combination of a hip roof and a gable roof. A hip roof is like this one here, in which the slopes are from all directions, and a gable roof is where the slopes are from opposite sides only. When you add a gable to a hip roof, we get what is called a Dutch roof. Now let's get started. I have a project open here which contains a hip roof created using roof by footprint method with an offset of 1 meter from all the walls. We will add another roof here to make it as a Dutch roof. I have added a reference plane and a model line here. So this one is the rough plane, which is named as the Dutch roof face. It is set at a distance of 4 meter from the front edge of the roof. And this model line here is drawn on this rough plane, and that is set at a distance of 2 meter 500 from the top of the roof. This rough plane and the model line will help us in setting out the new roof which we are going to add here. So from the elevation view, go to the work plane panel and click Set. In the work plane menu, click on Name and choose Reference Plane Dutch Roof Face to set that as the current work plane. Click OK to exit the menu. If you activate the Show button now, you can see the current work plane in blue shading. We are going to draw lines for our new roof on this work plane. Go to the Roof tool and select Roof by Extrusion. Select the level where you want the roof to be. I will put it at this level called Dutch roof level. Then from the type selector, select the type of roof. I'm going to select this roof called roof tile to match with the existing roof. Then from the draw panel, select the line tool and draw a line from this intersection to this apex to this intersection. Now press Escape on the keyboard. Type WT to tile the views, and we can see the roof line in the 3D view. Click on the Finish Edit mode to end the roof creation. Now you can see that the new roof is extended beyond the existing roof. To fix this, grab this control and stretch it slightly inside. Then from the Modify tab, select the Join tool. Click on the big roof first and then click the newly created roof. Both the roofs are now joined. In my case, there is a slight protrusion here for this roof. To push it in, select the roof, grab this handle here and gently push it inside. We now have our hip roof ready. Let us now make a dormer on this side here. I will show you two different ways to do it. One is a very simple dormer and the other one involves a bit more procedures. Select the roof and click Edit Footprint. Then go to the Split Element tool and make a break at a distance of about 4 meters from this point. Similarly, make a break at the same distance from this point also. Then pick the mid segment and uncheck the Defines Slope option. Now select the Slope arrow tool and define a slope starting from this point till the midpoint of this segment. Then again add a slope arrow from this endpoint to the midpoint of this segment. Now hold down the Control button on the keyboard and select both slope arrows. In the Properties palette, make sure that the height offset at head is at an appropriate value. I will make it at 2 meters. Then click on the Finish Edit mode. Revit is asking regarding attaching of these walls here to the roof. I will say no because I need those walls protruding out for our next example. With that, we have our simple dormer ready. If you see a gap here, or in other words, if this wall is not attached to the roof, then you can attach it by selecting the wall and from the Modify panel, select Attach Top or Base and then by clicking the roof. Now let us see the last part of our video. The objective is to make a detailed dormer on this side here. These walls are just normal walls with a base constraint of level 2 and an unconnected height of 3 meter 500. If you hide this roof for a moment, we can see that they are just normal walls resting on the floor slab. Let us unhide the roof by clicking Undo. Now I have a cutaway 3D view created here to show the walls from inside. The first thing we need is to have these walls sliced according to the slope of the roof. The easiest way to do that is by attaching the bottom of these walls to the roof. So tab select all 4 walls and select Attach Top or Base. In the option bar, choose Base this time. Then pick the roof and all the walls will have their base attached to the roof. Next, we need to make an opening on the roof. To do that, go to the opening panel and select Dormer. The first thing to do is to pick the roof. Then pick the inner edges of all walls. After picking the edges, go to the Trim Extend to Corner tool and clean up all 4 corners. Now click on the Finish Edit mode and we will have an opening on the roof that corresponds to the walls. Now let us add a window onto the wall. Go to the Window tool and add a window onto this wall here. The last step is to add a roof. In the plan view, select Roof by Footprint and give an offset of about 500 mm and pick all 4 walls using Pick Walls tool. What we need is a gable roof here. So Pick these two lines and remove their slope by unchecking the Define Slope option. Click Finish Edit Mode to complete the roof. Let us change the type of roof to Roof Tiled in the Type selector so that we have the same type of roof all over. If we go to an elevation view, we will see the height of the roof is not proper. So pick the roof and in the Properties palette, change the base level to level 2. Then give a base offset of about 3 meters. Now in the 3D view, pick all 4 walls and select Attach Top or Base, and then pick the roof to attach the walls to the roof. Now we need to extend this roof to the main roof. To do that, select the Join Unjoin Roof tool from the Geometry panel and first pick an edge on the small roof. Then select the main roof and the small roof will join to the main roof. So that is the end of this tutorial. We discussed many features of the roof tool in this video. If you found them useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to leave your comments. My name is Sunil and I'm an Autodesk certified instructor and professional. I'll be adding videos to this channel continuously. If you are interested to learn more, or if you are looking for a video about any topic in AutoCAD, Revit, 3D Studio Max or AutoCAD architecture, then please let me know and I will see how I can be of any help to you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.